We back, another video. Today, man, we finna get this steering wheel installed, man. As y'all see, we finally got the steering wheel in. I thought it was gonna show up with the wheels, but it didn't show up with the wheels, so we're a day late and a dollar short, but you know, we're gonna get it on there anyway. So I started taking the old steering wheel off because we're gonna install, God, this thing, y'all see it, the wire steering wheel. We're gonna put it in. I'm gonna keep the factory one just in case I wanna swap back to the old one, but I just can't, you know, this combo right here is just crazy. Like, just looking at this with this is crazy. So we finna get ready to swap this out. Hopefully I brought the right tools home to get it swapped out and it ain't too much, ain't too bad. I did the one on my 77. So let's get to it. Let's get ready to get this thing started and get it going. I'm just trying to fit this in here. Shouldn't be that tight though.
Okay, Dad. Where are we going? Starting in your video. I thought I was gonna be in this video.
It's always the fun part, trying to find the damn bolts that actually fit. So I can get it off. But crazy part is we're spin this all the way down. You learning something yet, Patience?
No.
You ain't learned nothing? I'm learning that it's hot in this garage. I need a mini split in here like the
learned
neighbor.
that it can be attached to one thing.
I'm learning that we need a mini split like the neighbor said. It's hot in here.
No.
Hopefully come off without too much pressure. I need a bigger ratchet, but we'll make it work. Come on. It's probably gonna pop, so you gotta be careful. Yeah. It's coming, it's just stuck. I need a bigger ratchet, that's terrible. I need some more leverage. Terrible. There we go, I think I got it. Yeah. And it didn't pop, Patience. Thought it was gonna pop, but we got it. Now the fun part is trying to get this to line up. That's where it was. Now we off. I'm trying to think, do I want to keep pressure spring on it or not? I don't think I can. Let me see. gonna be the fun part, trying to hold this shaft up and slide this through and grab it. I may be able to put the column piece back in it, but I need to get the spring, my horn spring if I want the horn to work.
I think this is the only car you've had that the horn actually works.
The horn actually worked in it. And now to take the factory steering wheel off and the horn ain't gonna work, it's gonna be one of them deals. Take the spring out. Yeah, because this just grounded out to the spring. Looks like we ain't gonna be having no horn till I decide how to figure that out. But like I said, it's my car. It ain't up to nobody to like it but me, so.
Do you think you're gonna win this show?
Probably not, but you know what? It's all about the effort to give, patience. There we go. I more than likely will not win, but as long as I try. That is what's most important. My sweet daughter.
Did you got patience, your sweet daughter?
Yep, you are too, Cameron.
It's so jealous.
As y'all see, we ain't got no horn no more, so we're gonna figure that out eventually when I decide to take it back apart. I may just install a train horn in here anyway, because that country boy side of me always wanted a train horn in one of these, so just hook it up to a switch and just see how it goes. Looks like it's on there, but I'm not certain. I want to drive this thing, the steering will shoot off while I'm driving. That'd be terrible. But it's down the shaft, it's all the way down. Wish they gave like some kind of insulator where this didn't have to hit like that. So what I learned on my coupe was this is what actually adjusts the column up and down. So if I just put it in and leave it loose, it tightens up the column. The tighter I get it, the tighter it makes the column. So we'll just give ourselves a little bit of space, like right about there. Tighten it up like that. So the steering wheel's down. For now, like I said, we won't have a horn switch on it for now. I'll probably wind up taking this back off and trying to figure that out eventually, but not right now. Right now, we're just gonna tighten it up and it's on there. And route the horn spring around for now. No horn, but you know, no biggie. We'll get it all figured out. But that's it. We got that in there. It took actually less time than I thought. I'll keep messing with it over time, but anyway, you like it, Patience? I do too. I think it looks good. But we actually gonna wrap it with the same. Yeah, it'll be the same color as the interior on it. That'll all be done the same. Got the new steering wheel in it. So now we all complete on the wire set. We got wire wheels and a wire steering wheel. Everything look good in there. Still no headliner yet, but we're getting closer and closer to cruising in this thing. Closer and closer. Y'all see I still got the back wheels off. We still trying to figure this out. Probably gonna put new coil springs in it and probably some of these right here. A couple. Yeah, probably some lift spacers in the back just to get it up a little bit and see how well that works. And then if that don't work, we're going to get it shortened probably sometime next month. So anyway, let's see, we got the steering wheel in. Another small little detail touched up. And if y'all don't like it, y'all can let me know in the comments. Like I said, I still got the factory steering wheel if I want to put it back on. So I like it though. I think it looks good, especially when I get it wrapped in that tan leather. When I take that and get it done, she coming along.
What's her name?
Don't know yet. Still thinking of it. Anyway, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all in the next video.